Hey guys, Jeff Superman here. Today we're just going to be doing a Bloxburg House Tour update. It needs a lot of fixing. It's not finished, but I just want to show you some of the additives I've done. So on the outside, I added a bunch of these windows. Oh, just a second. We're like dying right now or something. There. So all these windows, there's nothing in the back. I just took the fence out, and there used to be a balcony here, but we've replaced that, and I'll show you how in just a minute. Let's get in here. So there was a living room here, and there was a wall here. It's our master bedroom. We replaced that. This staircase. There used to be a staircase here. We've replaced that. So let's go to the first door. Here's the updated bathroom. With the aquatic look. It's pretty neat. It might stay like that, I'm not sure. Here's the garage. Just redid the colors in here. I'm not sure if I like the windows there. I might change them. That's the basement, and we'll go down there later. So here's the new kitchen, much larger now. I think it only needs to be probably from here to probably here. Really added onto it, updated it. Need to have a sink and stuff, but that's what. Piano here. There's no TV out here yet. Haven't really gotten that situated. My guess is there'll be something right here, probably. The bookshelves we have right down to the office. And we'll be back in here to show you something, but we've updated this. Yeah, let's go upstairs. So the upstairs is not completed at all. There's this huge room, which will probably be the master bedroom. It might. I'm keeping these windows, but the levels will be a little different. There's 4 rooms here. They're all identical in size, all the same size, all the same room. This was the balcony used to be. I put walls here, and I will be putting a room there. I just haven't gotten that situated. It'll probably be like an extra bedroom or something. And because of that, we replaced and put a little tiny balcony out front. So that's pretty cool. Now let's go downstairs. And we will go over here. Now, sorry for the background noise, but we're just playing Gorilla Tag. So, yeah. So we've got this one. I did replace it with a hidden door. So it's, I mean, really can't scare. But yeah, that is that. And then there's also one here, which we'll get to that in a second. It will all make sense. One second. So in here, there's actually a piano here, and there's a false carpet. And in here is the jail cell. Why? Why not? Oh, there's a camera up there. So here's that other cell. I know. And you probably think, oh, that's weird. Yeah, I know it's weird. But no explanation for it, really. But yeah, we can come back up here, have a seat here, interact with this, and we can view the security camera, see whoever's in here. Simple. But I mean, yeah, I know this is only like probably a really short video. There's not much to it. Snag around. You just don't put a lot of windows back here. All these windows, I'm probably going to change. I just made them so they were in order. But, I mean, I did this very fast. I did this whole roof side probably a week. So, yeah. I redid the roof as well, but it's not flat anymore. I think it comes up to it comes to a point. But I mean, I have all this plot, and I'm really going to add on to it later, so. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. great day.